Hi, everyone. I'm here to share with you some information about the Grit One Day workshop that's happening at your university. So, at Grit, we run personal development and transformation programs for students up and down the country. And our workshops are designed for you to achieve the best results at university that are possible for you. So, as part of our programs, what we look at are some of the expectations that you might have at university and how do you respond when maybe things don't meet your expectations? What are some of the support systems that are available for you at university that maybe you don't even know exist yet? And so our programs are designed for you to participate alongside other students to discover how you can best harness, take on board everything that your university has to offer so that you achieve the maximum results possible. Our workshops are delivered in a way that's probably unlike anything that you've experienced before, and certainly unlike university. So we're not lecturers, we're not teachers, we're coaches. So the way that we deliver our workshop is in a more facilitation way so that you get to participate and your voice gets to be heard. We'll ask you to consider what are some of the things that might be getting in the way for you at university or that you think might get in the way. So for some students that we've worked with, they've said things like procrastination, habits that they've taken on since high school or secondary school, leaving things to the last minute. Other things, people not knowing how to get a great balance between social and academic and at the risk of burnout. For some students, they're not really sure what they want to do in the future going forward. So they want to work on a clearer goal or sense of purpose for themselves. So there's a number of things that students might want to work on. And in our workshops, we'll give you the opportunity to do that. Now, it's only one day, so there's not a lot of time. However, we do get a lot done. But what we ask is that when you come on the program, that you bring yourself and you bring yourself fully. So that's a little bit about the workshop, but you'll find out more once you turn up on the day and you're involved. We look forward to seeing you soon.